Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about installing and setting up the Canon PIXMA MG2525 software on your Windows or Mac computer, or Linux even. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but in the Google search, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MG2525. And the best result, you may want to just type in support at the end of it, but it should be Canon support for PIXMA MG2525. The result was a little bit further down the page, but this will just take you directly to where we want to go for this tutorial. So go ahead and select that. So again, Canon support for PIXMA MG2525. And then you want to scroll down and select underneath downloads where it says software and drivers. You can select your Windows version, and then you can select the operating system as well. And then just scroll down here and then select the full driver and software package and select download. And then go ahead and run that file. It should be from Canon. Go ahead and select yes. And you can close out the web browser at this time. And then you can see PIXMA MG2500 series. Starting the software installation, follow the on-screen instructions. Select Next to begin that process. And then you want to select your software installation list here. And then you can go ahead and select whatever you want. Just make sure the drivers is definitely selected and then select Next. Agree to the license terms and then select Next. And then at this point, you want to go ahead and connect your printer to your device or make sure it's plugged in, turned on, and then just finish following up with these instructions and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.